In this video, we're gonna try to figure out the value of the z alpha over 2, giving a certain percentage of a confidence interval, right? So I'm gonna jump into the formula right away. So how would the alpha over 2 that you're looking for is gonna be equals to 1 minus c divided by 2. So what is the c? C is being this value, all right? So in this case, alpha over 2 here is going to be equals to 1 minus 0.95 divided by 2. And if you plug it into the calculator, this is going to be 0.025. All right. Okay, so the location of the z alpha over 2 is always on the right tail. All right. This means the location is right here, and this is the value of alpha over 2, which is 0.025. Therefore, the z alpha over 2 that you are looking for, which is z of 0.025, is located right here. Okay, so on your TI-84 you are required to provide always the left area, and that's basically the mean if you have a different distribution than standard normal distribution, and the sigma. All right, or in our case we have a standard normal distribution. It means the mean here is 0 and the sigma is going to be 1 all the time. That's all the time whenever you're using z values, right? So this is going to be 0 here and 1 here. So how can you get the area, left area, from this value? And let me shade it for you. So the left area is going to be all this area, the yellow one, right? All right, so what we can do, we can use the fact that the total area under the bell shape is 1. So whatever left area here, the yellow one, is going to be 1 minus alpha over 2, and that's going to be 1 minus 0.025, and that's going to be 0.9750. Okay. All right, so we are all set. We know the left area, and we can jump to the calculator right now. So let's turn it on, and where you want to go is to the distribution menu, and that's going to be secant and vars, and then you're going to go to inverse normal. So that's the function you're going to be using, and the area here is going to be 0.9750. The mean is 0 by default, and the sigma is going to be 1 again by default, and then you're going to enter, and then you go and you look for the value. So you get here the value you're looking for is 1.959. Of course, if you round it to 2 decimal points, so going to be 1.96. all right. Just I want to notice this one is on the right tail is always positive. It cannot be negative, right? So the z here you're looking for is z of 0.025, and this is equivalent to 1.96, and that's all.